Dear students, in this video, I will explain law of supply. Law of supply states that other things remaining unchanged, supply of a commodity expands with the rise in its price and contracts with the fall in its price. Thus, the law suggests that the supply varies directly with the changes in price. The law assumes other things remaining constant. Other things means factors affecting on supply. Factors affecting on supply other than price are cost of production, state of technology, government policies, goals of the firm, prices of the commodities, natural conditions, and so on. Dear students, so other things remaining constant means factors affecting on supply remaining constant. Only price is a variable factor. Price changes, प्राइस इंक्रीजेस, प्राइस डिक्रीजेस, प्राइस बढ़ती है, प्राइस कम होती है और हम इस प्राइस के बढ़ने और कम होने का इफ़ेक्ट सप्लाई पर मालूम करते हैं. तो लॉ ऑफ सप्लाई का सबसे अहम और इम्पॉर्टेंट अजम्पशन है ceteris paribus that other things remaining constant, only price is a variable factor. Suppose that price of a commodity increases. किसी भी commodity की जब price बढ़ती है, for example, wheat, rice, cement, gold, iron, steel, machinery, तो producers के लिए खुशी का पैगाम लाती है. That is a rosy condition for the manufacturers. वो अपने रिसोर्सेज का फुल यूटिलाइजेशन करते हैं, मैक्सिमम यूटिलाइजेशन करते हैं, अब प्रोडक्शन और सप्लाई को बढ़ा देते हैं. इट मीन्स दैट अगर प्राइस बढ़ जाती है तो सप्लाई भी बढ़ जाता है. वी कैन से दैट सप्लाई ऑफ ए कमोडिटी एक्सपैंड्स विद द राइज इन द प्राइस ऑफ ए कमोडिटी. एज अगेंस्ट दिस, if price of a commodity falls, supply contracts. किसी भी commodity की प्राइस कम हो जाती है तो प्रोड्यूसर्स अनहैप्पी हो जाते. किसी को भी अच्छा नहीं लगता कि वो प्राइस क्यों कम हो गई है, क्योंकि उन्हें मिलने वाला प्रॉफिट कम हो जाता है. वो अपने सप्लाई को कम कर देते हैं. इट मीन्स दैट अगर प्राइस कम होती है तो प्रोड्यूसर्स अपना सप्लाई, अपना प्रोडक्शन कम कर देते हैं. सो वी कैन से दैट सप्लाई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स विद द फॉल इन इट्स प्राइस. वी मे राइट algebraically law of supply as supply is a function of price, ceteris paribus, and there is direct relation between price and supply. If price increases, supply expands. If price falls, supply contracts. So let's revise law of supply once again, that other things remaining unchanged, supply of a commodity expands with the rise in its price and contracts with the fall in its price. The law of supply can be understood with the help of supply schedule. Supply schedule shows list of various quantities supplied at different prices. Here, price in terms of rupee per quintal of wheat is given and weekly supply of wheat in terms of quintal is given. You may observe that when market price is rupees 500 per quintal, supply is 1000 quintals. If price increases, supply also increases and becomes 2000 quintals. If price further increases, supply further expands. If price again increases and becomes rupees 800 per quintal, supply also expands and becomes 4000 quintals weekly. If price reaches to rupees 900 per quintal, supply increases to 5,000 quintals per week. So we can say that when price increases, supply increases. When price falls, supply also falls. It's nothing but the law of supply. The law of supply can also be explained with the help of diagram, with the help of figure. The x-axis shows that quantity is supplied and y-axis shows price in terms of rupees. Dear students, the figure shows that at point A, when market price is rupees 500 per quintal, 1,000 quintals of wheat are supplied. Point B shows that when price increases to rupees 600 per quintal, 2,000 quintals are supplied. In the same way, we may get point C, D and E. If we connect all these points, we get supply curve sloping upward. SS is the supply curve in our figure. The supply curve is upward sloping. It shows that there is a direct relation between price and quantity supplied. It is nothing but law of supply. However, it should be noted that this supply curve never originates from the origin but at some price. It means that supply may be zero at some price. The price at which nothing is offered for sale, it is known as reserved price. Thank you.